YouTube is an American video sharing website headquartered in San Bruno, California. The site indicates view counts of each uploaded video, making it possible to keep track of the most viewed, many of which continue to exist, while others are no longer available on the site. If you need to boost your content's views from almost nothing to tens of thousands and millions within weeks or few months, then this is an opportunity to learn how to utilize the tools provided for you by YouTube effectively. Knowing how to access these tools and the right buttons to click can be your game changer, causing YouTube to recommend your contents to lots of viewers. Believe it or not, viewership isn't just about creating a good content. In November 2005, a Nike advertisement featuring Brazilian football player Ronaldinho became the first video to reach 1 million views. The billion view mark was first passed by Gangnam Style in December 2012. On January 13, 2022, Pinkfong's Baby Shark became the first video to hit 10 billion views. In order to succeed as a YouTuber, follow all the instructions that has been made available for you. Please click on the link in the description for a comprehensive tutorial.